Although there are plenty of sizes to choose from when installing travertine, we found that the most common pattern to use is called the French pattern. This pattern utilizes a set of 4 different sizes of travertine, including 8x8, 8x16, 16x16, and 16x24. When laid, these 4 pieces are truly beautiful and evenly showcase all of the pattern across the entire project. If you are sticking to a single size of travertine for your project, you have multiple patterns to choose from, including herringbone, stacked bond, or running bond. Here at American Paving Design, some of our most commonly used single pieces are 16x24, 6x12, and 24x24. Travertine is perfect for any house, so learn more about how to design your outdoor space with travertine or even concrete pavers at our website at americanpavingdesign.com.